Hey, what's up, Herd? It is Wednesday, December 18th. My name is Aaron, and this is your market update. Let's get on into the charts. After Bitcoin rallied all the way to $108,000, it has come down to about 103 and bounced to the current price of about 104. That's 4% down from the peak at 108, guys. I do think this is a stall out due to the FOMC meeting that's going to be happening today. And speaking of FOMC, that does happen in about 4 hours, 19 minutes, and we're expecting a rate cut of about 25 basis points from the Federal Reserve today, bringing us down to the base rate of 4.25. Looking at the liquidation heat map, we have taken out some long liquidity around 105, guys, that we spoke about on Monday. We also have some pockets down here about 103 and as low as 102, though we're starting to build up some short liquidity around 106 and 109. We'll see where the price gravitates towards soon here after the FOMC and price movement depending on the sentiment of Chair Powell. After the Fed meeting, we'll have a press conference, and if he is dovish, we will see price movement to the upside. If he's feeling hawkish today, I do think we could see even lower prices, taking out some of this long liquidity above 100,000. Besides a general upwards trend, I'm not seeing any sort of pattern to look out for. Nothing bearish here. We just keep setting higher highs and higher lows across the board here, which is fantastic to see. I think it's certainly possible to come down to 101, maybe even 100,000, though I do think 101 will be a bounce point for us if we don't get a bounce point sooner. Looking at Ethereum today, Ethereum down actually less than Bitcoin at only 1%, where Bitcoin is down 1.8% right now. We've been fighting against this $4,000 mark for the last couple of weeks, and we have seen some strong dips down from it, so I do expect us to come back down to either the SMA here or as far down as 3704. But if we get some strength from the FOMC, guys, I do think we'll bounce off of 3859 where we're currently at and send past 4,000. There is a possible M pattern here, or head and shoulders pattern, that has a neckline around 3,600, and if we break down past that neckline, I do expect prices to dump to about 3,300. BNB holding up fairly well, though, is in a relative downtrend. We've had some lower highs, though we haven't yet had any lower lows, so I'm bullish on that right now. We could easily come below 700 with the current price of 714. I don't think that's very far off. Resistance here would be at 690 and again at 660 with a upward trending support line currently sitting at about 680. Solana has been respecting a support line around $216 for the last couple of days, guys. And I do think this could be a bounce off point for us, especially with the FOMC today. Solana has been racking up some of the best metrics this week as far as stablecoin inflows, and Radium DEX is actually the highest DEX by volume in all of crypto, guys. So that bodes well for Solana as well, and I do think we should see upward momentum in the near future. SWI has come down almost 10% from all-time highs, almost at $5 at $4.95, and we are currently sitting at $4.60, guys. I do think we have plenty of momentum to go for the SWI network, especially when the rest of the market decides to turn around. And when it's just down 0.8% today, I don't think there's much to worry about unless we get some FUD out of the Fed meeting today. Bitcoin dominance made a rally all the way down from 55% to the top at 58% and has bounced off that currently. I would love to see this trend turn around as Bitcoin continues to rise, guys. I'd love to see the alts rally against it even harder. Getting into the elephant money ecosystem, guys, Trunk has been sitting around 16 cents for the last couple days. I'm hoping that this downwards capitulation had to do with selling the news of the new futures to NFT transformation. I do think upwards momentum should be in our near future, guys, with the price of Trunk slowing down as far as its capitulation goes, and I'd like to see it back towards 18 and above very, very shortly. If you haven't staked your unlimited NFTs or claimed them from your futures account, make sure to get that done today, guys. Go to the futures tab, hit the futures to NFT migration. Make sure to claim your unlimited NFTs based on the TVL of what you have in futures. Take them over to the unlimited tab. Go to the stake button, guys, which will open up your wallet here. Click on your wallet and make sure to stake your NFTs. And if you have staked your NFTs, make sure to claim out your yield as regularly as you possibly can, sending your Trunk yield to the Trumpet contract for more yield in Trumpet. With that, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more content just like this. We'll see you again on Friday, guys. I'm not sure what next week will look like. I will likely post a video on Monday, but I'll certainly be taking Christmas Day off, guys. So you may see less of me through the rest of the year, but I hope that you have a great holiday and God bless.